So hello guys, today I have my breakfast. My mother made it. It's egg noodles, cheesy. I don't know what to call it. So let's dig in it. I got my chopsticks here. Bismillah. It's pretty delicious. And it's spicy too. Let's try some egg. So yummy. I like the things which my mother makes. Big bite. Sorry guys, I need a tissue. So I'm back. It's so creamy. So bye bye guys. I hope you like this video. Bye.